Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I am Jordan Smith Batch for Afridiada. I visited a young hardworking entrepreneur who owns a big welding company in the Gambia, Ous Colley, Ousmane Bojang. Ousmane Bojang is one of the most hardworking young men in the Gambia, and he has 21 students learning under him. You can hear one of his students. It means Samsi and his colleagues are really doing well. You know what really make me so happy about him, guys? He said he do this work together with schooling, all of them, which really make me so happy and proud of them. I was even surprised after visiting their workshop, seeing a young boys making an expensive, a critical doors, windows, a gate doors. I was even surprised. So it means Ous is the one of the most hardworking entrepreneur owning a big welding company in the Gambia, Gunjur, West Coast region. Ous is teaching a 21 student that are learning under him, that are under his control. I was surprised. So guys, unfortunately Ous is not in this video because I wasn't able to meet him because he said he's busy, but I made the second boss, right? But there are many in this workshop. So guys, I'm very, very proud. This is what I do, and like my aim is to inspire the youth. My aim is to inspire all the peoples and that are having about concepts, about narrative in their brains. So guys, as you all can see, and if you want to make a big contract with Ous, you can link up with him through his numbers by clicking on 22059555690, or you click on 220-767-3962. Ous is one of the most hardworking entrepreneur in the Gambia, and if you want to help or support the business, you can contact through his numbers, guys. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video because it takes me so long all day making videos for you guys to make you proud, to inspire you all. So guys, you know what I need, I just need your favor to subscribe and like this video, and whenever we hit to 1 million subscribers or whatever we get from here is all going back to the society. It's a charities channel, a charities organization channel, as I said. So whenever we get anything from here is all going back to the community. So guys, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. It's your boy Jordan Smith Badger, and stay tuned for more motivation and inspiring videos. Back to Africa, Afridiata. Subscribe. Peace